this is the ring I have on right here. It is so beautiful. It's truly a stunning diamond, but the setting is also amazing. It's like this very feminine and graceful design. Really beautiful. And we get the two cuts. We have the emerald and the oval, sizes 4 through 11. It's 2 carats. 14 karat gold, and you're saving $412. So this was originally $2,562, and today it's $2,149.98. The easy pay is $430. And Michelle, I have to tell you something. When I put this ring on today, I didn't wear my own engagement ring because I leave it at home when I'm doing jewelry shows because I want to try on all the other stuff. And I told you I'm in love with my own engagement ring. My husband did well. But I put this on and I looked in the mirror and I was like, wait a second here. Is it time to change it up a little bit? I mean, wow. The setting on this, the halo and this oval, I really love the oval. I mean, it's really hard to decide because both are truly stunning, the emerald and the oval. And again, we have white and yellow gold as well.
Let me try to help you make that decision because that is a hard one, right? Do you want the oval or do you want, if you're impressed with the biggest diamond that you can afford to buy, if you want to really wow your friends with the size of the center stone, then the decision is easily the oval, because an oval is always going to give you a bigger visual look in a comparable carat weight. So the center stones are the same carat weights in the emerald shape and in the oval, but side by side, this one's going to look bigger. Reason for that is when you facet an oval, you make a longer table, and a table is the top facet on the diamond, and the keel line at the bottom, the culet, which in a round diamond is a point, it's more stretched out. So you get a different kind of a shine. And again, evaluating a good, better, and best cut, I want you to look into that oval.
Okay.
And you will not see any bow ties in that oval. Look at it's all solid shine, right? It's all solid light movement. There's no dead spot there. And now look, when you see it next to that big ice cube, that big juicy emerald cut, do you see how it looks visibly bigger? Okay. Now, why would you buy the emerald cut, which is the one that I actually favor in this ring? I like the emerald cut because you can obviously see the brilliance. The brilliance is a literal term in diamond technology, or diamond terminology, pardon me. That means the white light that returns to your eye.
Wow.
So it is like a house of mirrors cut. You automatically get at least a grade better in an emerald cut than you will in another cut, because you can't have any internal characteristics or inclusions in an emerald cut,
Michelle,
especially in this size.
You didn't help me make the choice because each
one.
I
did.
Well, I want the bigger one and the better one, the more clarity. I have to choose.
Yeah,
I want them both
fantastic.
now. Which one would you choose?
Emerald.
Emerald.
That's the one I like in this particular ring, because emeralds tend to look kind of flat to me, meaning they don't always have a lot of vivacity. They don't always like go, wow, look at me sparkle, right?
Yeah.
They give you more of a flash. But when you put a surrounding it like that halo, it throws all that light into that emerald as well. Now, people ask me all the time what the difference is between an emerald cut and a baguette cut. It's the corners, the way the stone is cut in the corner. With an oval cut, this almost looks like an antique mirror, doesn't it? With a frame around it.
Yeah.
And it's got just a juicy setting. I love the split shank and how they sort of bow out and then come together again like a ribbon. It just gives it an air of femininity and airiness that I think is really attractive.
I'm going to show the sides here. Let's talk about this setting. You and I were both like, wow, it's so unique and feminine. You said it looks kind of like inspired from nature, maybe some vines or trees.
Yeah, I don't know why it reminded me of that when we were talking, and it still does. I mean, look at the size of those, what is it, 4 or 5 diamonds that come right under the head of that ring, right under that halo that's pulled back. I mean, that's something you don't see on ordinary jewelry. This is something you would more often see in a custom piece. But yes, it reminds me a little bit of an hourglass or the female figure as well, Avisha.
Yeah.
There's just something very organic about it in nature, which I think is why it really drew me there. But yes, so special.
I'm going to measure
and the prongs,
this
you can
on
see
my
how
finger.
smooth they are.
You know, sometimes it's difficult. It's not easy to measure like this, but this is a substantial size. Are we talking about half an inch here? Almost?
Almost a half an inch.
Yeah, almost
I would say Yeah, something
It's
that's definitely going to be a hand grabber. People are going to want to stop. They're going to want to try it on. They're going to want to see it. But yeah, I would say just under that 1/2 inch mark here.
yeah.
Something that's really going to be showy. Most rings, like in the center solitaire especially,
Hmm.
are about, I would say, 1/4 of an inch on
Yeah.
average. Most of the gold weight in a ring is about
Hmm.
4 grams. This is a lot heavier, and you can feel it when you kind of
Right.
heft it in your hand. So it's not going to be a ring that's going to feel light. It's going to be something that's going to feel substantial,
Yeah.
and one that, you pay a little more for the privilege of that, but it's
Yeah,
so
it
worth
is.
it.
It is just under 1/2 inch, and then it's about 1/4 of an inch wide. And we're seeing Ashley here. She has on both of them. See, I know you said you would pick the emerald, but I'm leaning
Oh,
towards
and
the oval. I have the oval on,
see,
and
it's all
I don't want to
personality.
take it off. It is so pretty. And if you like the oval, in the white, we have 9 left, and last call on the yellow. All right, this is the 2 carat halo ring in the yellow and the white gold. Sizes 4 through 11, 2,149.98. It's J13929. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I get to wear a beautiful bracelet here.